Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about differentiation. We're going to use the power, constant, and sum rules. We're going to differentiate each function with respect to the given variable. So if I was given this function, f of s, and I'm going to make my s's like this, because my other s's look like 5s. Negative 3 over s squared minus 4 over s to the fourth. And don't make fun of my s's, okay? So, if I want to derive this, well, what I like to do, okay, my given variable is s, and what I like to do is rewrite all of my fractions that have a exponent in the denominator with the variable, and I'll bring it to the numerator. So I'm going to rewrite this to be f of s is equal to negative 3 s to the negative 2 power minus 4 s to the negative 4th power. Okay. Now in doing this, I'm going to make sure I keep my negatives in line. I'm going to take the derivative and use the power rule. So we have f prime of s is equal to negative 2 out front, power rule still applied, this means having negative 3, s to the negative 2 minus 1 power minus negative 4 goes out front, negative 4 times 4, right, power comes out, s to the negative 4 minus 1 power. Okay, so now let's simplify this. F prime of s, negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6, so we have positive 6, s here, negative 2 minus 1 is a negative 3. And then now we have subtraction here. Negative 4 times positive 4 is a negative 16, and plus and minus a negative, same thing as plus a positive. And then we have s to the negative 4 minus 1, which is negative 5. Okay? So now that I've made everything to a negative exponent, I'm going to make them all to be positive exponents by putting them in the denominator. So simplified, my final answer, f prime of s, is just 6 over s to the positive 3rd power, right, plus 16 over s to the positive 5 power. And there we have it. Our final answer. So let's recap. We're given f of s is equal to negative 3 over s squared minus 4 over s to the 4th power. Okay? So what I need to do now is what I like to do is I rewrite this all to have a negative exponent and brought all my variables to the numerator. I find it's easier to solve the power rule that way. Then when I did the power rule, I made sure I kept all my negatives in line. Negative 2 came out front times negative 3, s to the negative 2 minus 1 power, subtract the exponent. Then we brought the negative 4 out front again, times 4 here, s to the negative 4 minus 1 power. When I simplified, negative 2 times negative 3 was 6, and negative 2 minus 1 was a negative 3, so we have 6s to negative 3. And then we had minus the negative, was plus a positive, 4 times 4 is 16. And then negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5, so we have s to the negative 5th power. From there, I then rewrote them as fractions, okay, and I have a positive exponent for my variable. And so my final answer here is f prime of s is equal to 6 over s to the 3rd plus 16 over s to the 5th. And again, let's not make fun of my s's.